Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KR Lakam CBSE School Mudhol online classes. In previous class we completed fourth problem of exercise 2.5. So today we will continue with fifth problem of exercise 2.5. So here in fifth problem of exercise 2.5, what they have given here, write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. So they have given decimal numbers, you have to write those decimal numbers in expanded form. So we already discussed these types of examples in introduction parts only. So let's see problems in fifth main. In first problem what they have given, 20.03. 20.03. So we have to expand this decimal number 20.03. So here you can see 20 means left part first we should consider left part of the decimal point, means here 20 means 2 is at the tens position and 0 is at the ones position. So what we should write here, 2 into 10, because 2 is at the tens position. First ones position, after tens position, after ones position there will be tens position, therefore 2 is at the tens position, therefore 2 into 10 plus next 0 is there, this is at the ones position, therefore 2 into 10, 0 into 1 plus next here decimal point is there, after decimal point first position is tenth position. Tenth position means what is that? 0 into 1 by 10, because at the tenth position 0 is there, so here 0 into 1 by 10 plus next 3 is at the position hundredth position, means 1 by 100, so 3 is at the position hundredth position, so 3 into 1 by 100. Here you can see this is at ones position, this is at tens position, this is 0 is at tenth position, means 1 by 10, next 3 is at hundredth position, means 1 by 100. So how to write? You can see here 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Okay, so like this we will solve second problem. In second problem of fifth main they are given 2.03. 2.03. Here you can see that there is no tens position, means only ones position they are given. So you can write directly 2 into 1 plus next after decimal point tenth position, means this is at the position 1 by 10, so plus 0 into 1 by 10. Next this is at the 1 by 100 position, 100th position, means 3 is at the 1 by 100 position, means 3 into 1 by 100. Okay. Now third question. Here they have given 200.03. 200.03. So here you can see that this 2 is at the 200, means 2 is at the 100 position, 0 is at the tens position, this 0 is at the ones position. After decimal point what is the position? Tenth position, means 1 by 10th. Next 3 is at the 100th position, means 1 by 100. Okay, so now we can write it as 2 is at the 100th position, means 100th position, means 2 into 100 plus 0 is at the 10th position means 0 into 10 plus this 0 is at the 1's position means 0 into 1 plus after decimal point first digit is always 10th position means this 0 is at the position 1 by 10. So 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 is at the position hundredths position means 3 is at the position 1 by 100. So here we can write 3 into 1 by 100. This is how to expand decimal numbers. Okay. If here after 3 another number, suppose for example they are given 1, after tens hundreds position there will be thousands position means 1 by 1000. So after this we should write plus 1 into 1 by 1000 in decimal number. First it will come tens position, after tens position hundreds position, next one is thousands position. If they are given 1 here means this is at the position 1 by 1000. So here at last we should write 1 into 1 by 1000. But here they are not given thousands position. Okay. So in fifth main they have given only 4 questions. Here I solved first 3 questions. Try to solve remaining one. Okay. They are given that 2.034. 2.034 means after decimal point they are given 3 digits. First digit is 1 by 10's position, second digit is 1 by 100's position, third digit is 1 by 1000's digits position. So try to solve fourth one in fifth main question. So now I will move to the next one, sixth question. So here in sixth question what they are given, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. They have given decimal numbers where all the decimal numbers contains value 2. You can see in problem 6 page number 48, exercise 2.5 page number 48, problem 6. What they are asking, write the place value of 2 in all the following decimal numbers means in all the decimal numbers they have given value 2, but here we have to mention position of that value 2. Okay. Here in sixth main first problem what they have given 2.56. 2.56. So as I told they are given 2 in all the questions in sixth main. So here we have to mention position of this 2. So where it is, you can see before decimal point, before this decimal point only one digit is there, so that should be 1's position. So here I will write this as 1's position. For example, here I will write 4520.123 4,520.123. Here 4000 means this is at the position 1000. Okay. Next one is 500. This is at the position 1000. 500 means this is at the position 100. Okay. So now here 4520 means this 2 is at the position 10's position. Next this 0 is at the position 1's position. Okay. First 1000, after that 100's position, next 10's position, next 1's position. Okay. So now after decimal point always there will be first 10's position means 1 by 10 value. Next after 10's position what will be there, 100's position means 1 by 100 value. Next after 1 by 100 value what will be there, 1000's position means 1 by 1000 value. Okay. So here this is for example only, but here in question they have given that 2.56, and here we have to mention position of the 2, where the 2 is there in 2.56. Here you can see before this decimal point only one digit is there, means this is here 2 is at the position 1's position. Okay, next digit 21, next number 21.37. 21.37 means here 2 is at the position before decimal point only. This is 1's position, this is 10's position, because 21 means this is at the position 10's position. After 1's position there will be 10's position, so 2 is at the 10's position. Next, third question. 10.25. Here they are given 10.25. Okay. So now again you can see, again they are given 2 in this number. So what is the position of 2 here? You know that after decimal point, first position is 1 by 10, means 10th position. So here I will write 10th position. This is after decimal point. So this is at the position 1 by 10, means this is 10th position. Okay. So now we will see next number. Next one is 9.42. Okay. So now here also they are given 2 after decimal point only. So this is 10th position, means 1 by 10. After 10th position, 100th position means 1 by 100. So this position is known as 100th position. Here I will write 100th position. Okay. Next one. Fifth question what they have given? 63.352. 63.352. So here this is 1's position, 10th position, this is 100th position, this is 1000th position, means 1 by 1000. Therefore this is 1000th position. So here I will write this is 1000th position. Okay. So here we mention position of the value 2 in all the decimal numbers. So now I will move to the next one, seventh problem. So here in seventh problem what they are given? Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. Here they have given one diagram for seventh question. This is point A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So here Dinesh went from place A to place B. Here Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. From B to C. A is 7.5 kilometers from B. A is 7.5 kilometers from B. This is 7.5 kilometers. And B is 12.7 kilometers from C. B to C 12.7 kilometers. Ayub went from place A. Ayub went from this place A to place D, from there to place C. So here D is 9.3 km from, this is D is 9.3 km from A, and C is 11.8 km. This C is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more and by how much? See here. Here they are given. Dinesh started from this point A and went to place B, which is 7.5 kilometer. Okay, and from this place B he went to place C. This is 12.7 kilometer. So first we will calculate the distance travelled by Dinesh, or I will write it as Dinesh. I will write distance travelled by, distance travelled by Dinesh. How much he travelled? First he travelled from A to B, means AB. Next he travelled B to C, means BC. So that we can write here the distance between AB is 7.5 km plus distance between place B and C is 12.7 km. Okay. So now distance travelled by Dinesh equals to AB plus BC, means 7.5 plus 12.7. So here I will add 7.5 plus 12.7. Okay. So when you add these two numbers, 7 plus 5 means what you will get? 12. So 1 is carry here. So here I will write 2. So after one digit, decimal point is there. So I will put one decimal point here. So 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So here again 1 is carry. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 20.2 kilometers. This is the distance travelled by Dinesh. 20.2 kilometers. So now we will find out distance travelled by Ayub. How much distance travelled by Ayub? We have given that in question. Ayub started from place A only, but he travelled towards D. From A to D first he travelled. How much that is? 9.3 km. And after reaching this point D, again he also went to point C only. So here from point D to C, how much distance is there? 11.8 kilometers. So here I will write distance travelled by Ayub. First where we went? From A to D. So AD plus from D to C means CD, or you can write it as DC also. So now length of AD is 9.3 kilometers here, 9.3 plus length of CD or DC is 11.8 kilometers. So here distance travelled by Ayub equals to AD plus CD means 9.3 plus 11.8. So we have to add these two numbers. So here I will add 9.3 plus 11.8. So now 8 plus 3 means what we get? 11. 8 plus 3 means 11, or you can add 3 plus 8. So what we get? 11 only. So 1 is carry here, and here we will get 1. So after one digit, decimal point is there. So I will put one decimal point. So now 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Again we will get 1 as carry. So 1 plus 1, 2 is there. So distance travelled by Ayub equals to 21.1 kilometer. So here you should write distance travelled by Dinesh equals to 20.2 kilometers. And here distance traveled by Ayu equals to 21.1 kilometers. Okay. So here in question what they are asked here, who traveled more and by how much? Means here you can see Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometers, 20.2 kilometers, and here Ayub traveled 21.1 kilometers. Means which is greater value here, 20.2 or 21.1? 21.1 is greater value. So here Ayub traveled more. So to find out how much distance Ayub traveled more, what we have to do? What we have to do? I have to subtract this 20.2 from 21.1. So here I will write 21.1 minus 20.2. Now you can see 1 minus 2 is not possible, so I will consider carry here. So 11 minus 2 means what you will get? 11 minus 2 means 9. 11 minus 2 means 9. So next, after one digit, decimal point is there. So here I will put one decimal point. 1 minus 1 means what you will get? 0. Next 2 minus 2 means 0. Okay. So here you should write Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Okay. See here again. They have given that Dinesh traveled A to B and from B to C. Distance between AB is 7.5, distance between BC is 12.7. So the distance traveled by Dinesh equals to AB plus BC means 7.5 plus 12.7. So when you add these two values, what you will get? 20.2 kilometers. This is distance traveled by Dinesh. Okay? Like that only Ayub traveled from A to D and D to C. Distance between AD is 9.3 and distance between CD is 11.8. So here distance traveled by Ayub equals to AD plus DC or CD. So 9.3 plus 11.8. When you add these two values, what you will get? 21.1 kilometers. So distance traveled by Ayub equals to 21.1 kilometers. So now you can check who traveled more. Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometers. Ayub traveled 21.1 kilometers. So Ayub traveled more. So to calculate or to get how much distance Ayub traveled more, what we have to do? We have to subtract 20.2 from 21.1. So here 21.1 minus 20.2 means what we got here? 0.9. So Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometers more than Dinesh is the answer. So I hope you are clear with this problem. In next class I will continue with remaining two problems of exercise 2.5. Thank you all.